Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Bee Swarm Simulator, and that's a loud person. Today I'm playing Bee Swarm Simulator, not with Gavin, because he's not on, and two, I just want to play it. So, yeah, let's get right into it. Mute it, because it's really loud. Let's see, I should probably do quests, right? Ooh, honeybee. Okay, where is the honeybee? I think he's up here. Right? He's up here, right? No, wait, he's over here. Sorry, I'm not good at this talking because I just woke up. What are these? Why are there balloons? Should I get the balloons? Yeah, kill the spider, but I'm getting this balloon. Okay, whatever, I don't care. Did I get all 3 balloons? Oh, whatever. It doesn't matter. So let's go up here. I just recently unlocked the red HQ. What the heck? Oh, whatever, I don't care. So we're going to the honeybee, yeah, to get this quest. And then, oh, a duck. There it is. Is it a he or she? 30 minutes of 2 times conversion rate. 14,000 honey, yeah. Buzz. It's quest, it'll convert in a while. Boop. Just 1,500, right? Ignore the low amount of badges that I have. We're gonna activate the wealthy clock. Oh, never mind. I guess we're not. So, what's this? I like it, so I'm gonna level it up. Is that what? Okay, whatever. I've been thinking about getting the cub bear. The cub buddy. Whatever he's called. I've been thinking he's pretty cheap though, right? Just like 150 Robux, something like that. Does he still sell in the shop for 2,000 tickets? He did that one time. I'll go check after I get whatever the heck this is. Oh, your boots kicked something up. What? Banana? Is that a banana? Oh, it's the stem for this 4-leaf clover. And you are... What the heck? Oh. You are over here now. That's fine. Oh, I got a blessing because I'm a blessing to everyone who meets me. Actually, I don't know. I don't really like to get very many quests. When I joined this game the other day, because I hadn't played in like 5 years, I had like 50 quests. So does he still sell over here? He doesn't. We shall check. Bearby. Ooh, that might be good. 600 Robux, that's a lot. I don't have that many currently on my account. I just have cards. It's fine. So today we're going to be playing Bee Swarm Simulator. It's 5 minutes into the episode when we still haven't even really talked about what we were playing. Yeah, like a cloud. Whatever. What's happening up there? What is happening up there? My gosh. I'll find out. I kind of forgot I should probably talk in these episodes. Oh, and I'm sorry about the delay, like 2 years since I posted. I kind of forgot how to post an episode, and then I forgot what to post an episode on. What the heck is this? Christmas? I like Christmas. Oh, yeah, so sorry about the music stuff not working out. I got covered up by like work, school. Now it's summer, so I can post more, but you know. Is that is it good to be in the tornado? Does it hurt me? Oh, it doesn't affect me whatsoever. I'll go to another field. Where are my bees? Oh, there they are. Oh. Mister. It's fine, I'll just kill you. Actually, I'll just... I haven't been able to get the golden egg, so... Dang it. What the heck? Why is it so thin? It doesn't have any... Ew. $94 million? What do the balloons do? Ooh, a badge? Ah. Okay. It's kind of early in the morning. It's like 9:30 for me. This video will probably be up by 10 o'clock, 10:30. Yeah. Should I just focus on getting pollen? Yeah, I'm gonna focus on getting pollen. This is kind of the main point of the game, isn't it? It's fine. They're always touching their matches. It's odd. Yep, I'm just gonna grind for now. Look at that train of death. I don't have any good bees for battle. I mean, I have the commando bee, but I don't really know if he's that good. Times 5. 15 critical hit chance. 18 critical hit chance. There's no bees here. Oh, the commando bee's still here. He stands strong by me. Is he the only bee here? I think so. The rest will be back soon. Oh, okay, bye. What the? Away he goes. Oh, one of my bees came back. That's nice. I mean, I guess he has to. I feed him and let him live in my hive. Oh, they're all back. Very well rested and back. Leave a comment if I should play other Roblox games, and if you have any ideas for them, tell me and I'll check them out. Sorry if this isn't interesting. I just don't talk very much. It's kind of weird not having Gavin here to talk to, but it's fine. Oh, by the way, go sub to him. Go like and comment on his videos. Sorry you can't hear me in them. It's kind of hard to. But if you listen really, actually no, you can't even hear me at all. Not even worth trying to hear me. So, just go watch his videos, like and subscribe to him, like and subscribe to me. Our goal by the end of the month is 10 subscribers. 10, 15 subscribers. I'll set the goal for 15. I think we can do it. 15 subs by the end of the month. Can we? I hope we can. Let's see if we can get this video to 5 likes. 5 likes? That seems... 5 likes by the end of the month. It sounds low, but it's really not for a newer channel. Boop. Thanks anyway. Make sure to ring that bell for more. I think I'm gonna end the video once I get back to my hive or something. It's 12 minutes and 37 seconds, so. Ooh, and any Steam games you think I should play. I have Subnautica, I could play that. I have Totally Accurate Battle Simulator, Spaceflight Simulator. I like space games. Give me some space games to play. Thanks, guys. Once I can, I'll go live and do a live stream of games chat wants me to play. But you have to have like 500 subs to go live and 230 likes. Something crazy like that, I don't know. 500 subs is right though, I think. I don't know about the likes. I don't think it matters. I don't even know. I don't know. Just like and subscribe to see me go live and do things for chat. We're almost full on pollen. What? Cool breeze. Rated hive. Oop. Loot luck. What does it do? Where did I get it? Why is it? Oh, it's just nighttime. What the? He's barely even lost any health. Like 3,000. What the heck? Oh, I got 3 balloons. Why do people send balloons? Do they get something out of it? How do you send balloons? Why do you send balloons? Where do you send balloons from? Comment in chat, or not chat, comment down below and I'll make sure to find out how to send balloons and what I get from it. Do I want to keep fighting him, or do I want to go get I want to go get these. Oh, Mantis. Hi. How are you? Just fight me. You killed this guy. Oh, hi, Mr. Mantis. I don't care. If y'all have any ideas for games I can play, please make sure to like and subscribe or comment down below. Because I don't really have many games. I've played Retail Tycoon 2. Would y'all like me to play that? What the? Okay. Haha, I followed you home. Yep, well this is a fun game. Where do they go when the night is over? What the? Oh, I thought it was like a flower. I was like, what the heck? I don't know. Why are there clouds in every field? If y'all know the locations of any of the translators, please give them to me. Because that way I can translate the... Which should I do first? Should I do the blue